Remember the last time your pneumatic system lost pressure at the worst possible moment? Or when your hydraulic actuator leaked fluid all over your clean room floor? Well, there's a reason why factories worldwide are ditching these old technologies for something better. Electric linear actuators are revolutionizing motion control, and here's why every engineer should care. Unlike hydraulic and pneumatic systems that rely on compressed fluids, electromechanical actuators convert electrical energy directly into mechanical motion. No more air compressors, no more hydraulic pumps, just clean, precise movement. Now, let's talk about the first major benefit: precision. While your typical pneumatic cylinder struggles to hit the same position twice, electric actuators deliver positioning accuracy measured in fractions of a millimeter every single time. That's because they use servo motors driving precision ball screws, eliminating the guesswork of fluid compression. But precision is just the beginning. These actuators integrate seamlessly with modern control systems, feeding real-time position data back to your PLC or industrial computer. You can program complex motion profiles, adjust speed on the fly, and monitor performance remotely. Try doing that with compressed air. Here's what really matters. Electromechanical actuators run quieter than a whisper compared to the constant hissing and banging of pneumatics. They're also incredibly energy efficient, only drawing power when actually moving, unlike hydraulic systems that waste energy maintaining pressure even at rest. The bottom line? Whether you're designing medical equipment, automation systems, or industrial machinery, electric actuation delivers the precision, control, and reliability that modern applications demand. The technology has matured, costs have dropped, and the benefits are undeniable. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.